In light of the recent mass shootings, some lawmakers want to adopt red flag laws in Tennessee. Under the law, family members and law enforcement could petition a court to remove weapons from a person who is at risk to themselves or others. News Channel 5's Chris Davis spoke to a woman who believes, based on her own life experiences, that law is desperately needed.
I can replay it in my head over and over. And
as a retired Metro officer,
because of training,
Tawana Chick could just tell something was wrong with her brother.
His diagnosis was narcissistic personality disorder with obsessive compulsive traits.
So back in 2021, she reached out to several organizations, seeing if there was anything they could do about him owning weapons.
We were trying to find any legal means to intervene, and there was none because Tennessee does not have that mechanism in place. There is no red flag law.
She was worried he might harm himself. She never imagined he'd try to kill her.
And at approximately 7:30 that evening is when my brother fired on me. The first round hit me in my right lung. The second round hit me in my right wrist and severed the artery and the nerve.
She was shot 10 times as she managed to stagger away from her parents' front porch to triage her own wounds, as her brother died by suicide.
I felt like this was a sucking chest wound, so my arm was on that. And in the middle of all of that, I was trying to get my phone to dial 911, which I had difficulty with.
Many parts of her body are forever changed.
And both of those have skin grafts from up here.
But Tawana admits the deepest scars come from within.
The emotional scars are a lot deeper and longer. People don't see them. They tend to look at you and think, oh, you're doing great. And, you know, sometimes you are, sometimes you aren't.
As hard as it is to talk about, she's sharing her story as an advocate for red flag laws.
It's not about taking away gun rights. It's about keeping families healthy.
Because as Tawana has already proven, when she feels like something is wrong, she's determined to act.
We would like this looked at this year, this session, today. Let's not wait till someone else is going through this.
Chris Davis, News Channel 5.
Tawana says she is willing to testify on Tennessee's Capitol Hill if legislators are willing to consider red flag laws this session.